To integrate Dynamics 365 Sales and the Busy Central, the first prerequisite, you have to be logged into the both systems and you must be system admin in both environments. So this is the first prerequisite. To do the integration, everything will be done on the side of the BC. So whole of the setup process you have to do on the BC side. So you have to go to assisted setup, and when it is loaded we can extend it a little bit, and then we can scroll down and you will see setup integration to Dynamics 365 Sales. Of course, if you remember from the last video, we have already set up the connection to the Dataverse, and this is also mandatory step because this is only extension of this integration. So we are going to extend with Dynamics 365 Sales tables the existing connection to Dataverse. So now we will have bunch more stuff to be integrated. So all you have to do is to click on Setup Integration to Dynamics 365 for Sales. And then you will get the nice wizard. If you're seeing it is really similar wizard like we had on previous integration with Dataverse. So just check if this is a matching environment. Go to the next. And on this page, you can go to next, but I am always advising go to the advanced, where you will have some of the possibilities. First of all, you have possibility to choose in between bidirectional sales order integration or legacy one-directional sales order integration. We will enable the new one or the newest one, which is bidirectional, because this is allowing us to have sales orders written in both systems. If you enable the legacy one, you will process only sales orders which are processed from the BC side. With this one, you have possibility whatever is processed in any of the systems, it will be synchronized. And also, the next stage is automatically synchronization of items availability, which is really useful so that you can expose on each of the items what is the basic availability of this item. So let's enable it. From here, we can go to next. On this page, we will be asked if do we want to install the field service integration app. At this point, we will not do this because we don't have to install it. We don't need it for this integration. But in the future, you will see one of the videos how to set up this integration and how to work with it. So in that case, I will show you how also you can integrate it and how you can install this app. But at this moment, this is not a necessary step. Click Finish to finish this part of the integration. And now you will see the screen where it says working on it. If you're working on a CDX, like I'm doing in this example, you will have less time to synchronize because there is really not too many data, not too many tables which he is synchronizing with a lot of data in it. But if you're working on a real environment where some of the system contains a lot of data, this could take a lot of time. But when I say a lot, maybe hour or two, but in reality, if it is CDX, it will take mostly a couple of minutes. So just wait to finish itself and you'll see what we are going to get next. So now, after the wizard is done, you can see that setup integration to the Dynamics 365 Sales is completed. So now, to just check a couple of more things, you can go to the page inside of the Dataverse, Dynamics 365 Sales Integration Setup, where you will have access to every single aspect of this integration. The main part where you should go is in the mapping and integration table mappings. What you're going to see there is the whole list of the tables which are synchronized, so contacts, currencies, items, unit of measure, items, opportunities, sales order, unit groups, and everything. And also, what you can do, you can work on all of these tables and set up the different coupling criteria, which means what are the criteria to integrate in between these tables. Without coupling, they're going to work normally, but with coupling, you're going to add some more sophisticated rules. Like for example, we will go to the contacts, and there is going to be already presetted, but this is the same logic for every single of the tables, so I suggest you to go to every of the tables and check the coupling. So select the contacts, go to coupling, select match base coupling, select yes, and from here you can select on which field you want to couple these records. So basically, which fields do you want to make it as a key field. I have selected email for this example, and also you do not have to select only one. You can select, for example, a couple of them, like first name, for example, or city, but you can set up different priorities, like email can be priority 1, first name can be priority 2, and the city could be priority 3. So he will take a look from this one to this one and then to this one. Of course, you have possibility to turn on synchronization after coupling, so it means that he will first try to find the records which are already existing in a both size and to integrate them, to rewrite and to add the data which are missing in one or another system, and then you have to switch on create new if unable to find a match. After this, all you have to do is to select OK, and from this point you will be redirected to the screen of integration table mapping. So now on you can continue doing the setup for one and another table which we have integrated. So you have the full list. You will see that some of these tables are already set up in a coupling level, some of those are not. So what I'm suggesting you is just go and click on coupling on every each table, go to match base coupling and check the settings. After you do that, you can say that your integration is up and running. There is basic suggestion what you can do is to go back to Dynamics 365 Sales Integration Setup, to go to synchronization and select once more run full synchronization. This will basically just check if all data is right in and wrote out correctly, and he will just check whole tables and everything in the back of the integration. And from this moment on, you have your integration up and running, and you can start using Dynamics 365 Sales and Business Central all together with integrated tables with directions which you have already seen. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.